Handbrake is a program used to compress large video files and reduce their size without losing too much quality. This video will give you a guide on how to use Handbrake. Open Handbrake by double-clicking on the Handbrake icon. Handbrake presents two options to begin with. One can either open a single video file or open multiple files, and this later process is called batch scan. In this video, we will open and compress a single file, but the batch scan process works pretty much the same. To start with, we will open a single video file, so click on that option. Then browse to the location of the file you want to compress. The first thing to do is to set the location where the finished file will save to. Click on Browse, and in this instance, I'm going to set the file destination to the desktop. Give the file a name. Check the save type is the default MP4 setting, and click Save. To make the setup of the compression settings simple, we are going to use a preset from Handbrake's preset menu. After we finish setting up Handbrake to encode, we will save the settings as a new preset, which can then be used next time. In the preset menu, scroll down to Legacy, then click on Normal, and this will set up the basis of our video compression settings. Note that the container is an MP4, which is what we want. Then tick the box Web Optimized. Next, we will click on the Video tab, and here we will change the frame rate from variable frame rate to constant frame rate. Next, we can determine the quality of the video export, and this can be set by the constant quality slider. If you are wanting to preserve the quality of your source file for future editing, then the constant quality can be left at 20. If you are looking to radically reduce the size of your source file, then you can increase the amount of compression by moving the slider to the left to around 29. I found this number to produce a compressed file that is around 20% of the original file size. You can always experiment with the settings yourself. We can now save these settings as our own preset, so in the future, we can just open a file, click on this preset, and compress. Click Add at the bottom of the preset menu. Name the preset, and then click Add again. These settings are now available next time you want to use it. The file is ready to be exported now, so click Start Encode. The progress bar is visible down the bottom left-hand corner of the program. When it is finished, your file will be available at the export destination. You can see in this example that the file we have just compressed is around 20% of the original file size. You can make this amount smaller or larger by modifying the constant quality slider in Handbrake. Feel free to experiment.